for the thousands of pleasure craft exploring the Georgian Bay. Mystery surrounds the naming of Killbear Point, which was purchased by the Ontario government in 1958. The Ojibwe referred to the point as Makwa Neash, or Bear Kill Point. Native peoples and loggers' tales about how the point got its name share the common theme of a logger who was killed on or near the point by a bear.
Hoje tem odeia.
Yep.